In this video, we're going to talk about a particular vegetable that a lot of people are not aware of because it's to them it's foreign matter because it's called Chinese leaf, right? So what I'm talking about here is this particular vegetable. See, Chinese leaf, okay? Now it looks like a cabbage, but it's not. It's actually more like a closed, like a bit like broccoli, but you can see it's leafy, right? And you pay about £1.50 for that, and that will give you about 3 meals, right? Now, the best way to eat that is in a stir fry, okay? Now, what you do is that in a good aluminium-free pot, right? You put some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, some coconut oil, some Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and then you open this packet up like that, you wash it, and you peel the leaf off. You put about 4 or 5 per person, 4 or 5 leaves like that, out of that, and then you chop it up in a wooden board with a sharp knife, okay? And you put that, you heat the oil mixture very gently. You can put a bit of sea salt with it. So you've got oil, like extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, apple cider vinegar, a bit of sel de garonne or sea salt, okay? Now you chop this up, but you chop about, for a person that's like quite solid, 6 to 8 leaves. For a young kid, 12, about 3 leaves. Chop it up, bite-sized pieces, stir it lightly. While you're stirring it, you can also put a chopped up, very finely cut red onion. That is red onion, a bit of ginger. Put that there, give it a good stir, right? And then when it's not, don't let it wilt, just let it remain still solid, like really solid. When it's warmed up enough, cooked, you take it out, put it in your plate, and eat it straight away. You can add a bit more olive oil if you want, right? That is an excellent way of getting fiber, chlorophyll, potassium, calcium, and many other minerals from the Chinese leaf. But for £1.50, you're getting very good value for money. So much cheaper than buying some imported foods like pizza or chips. That size, look at the size of that, £1.50. That's very, very well grown, right? And you can get that quite easily around the year. But in the summertime, you get better quality. Okay, so that is called the Chinese leaf. All you do is you peel it like that, wash it, make sure there's no slugs or anything in it, wash it, chop it up, and away you go. Okay, so if you do like what you're seeing, subscribe down below and enjoy the videos that we send out to you on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays.